Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the 25th of March 2025. We walk the Clifton, Cape Town, South Africa. So we'll show you how Clifton looks like. Okay, look, this is the Atlantic Oceans. So it's beautiful here. So I want to show how Cliftons look like. We walk the Victoria Road at the Clifton, and yeah, I'll show you how beautiful it is. So please, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and ring your bell and leave your comment as well. Please, I want to reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm begging you guys, share this link, share this video, share this channel to friend, family, and the people that we know, so they may subscribe. So don't waste the time, let's go. This is Victoria Street at Clifton area in Cape Town, South Africa. Let's go, let's enjoy the video. The people doing the sport. It's actually is quite good, nice area.
Like, people all over.
Villa d'Azur number 6, Clifton Road, Clifton. Right, very nice area, very rich area, expensive house. This area, there's not anyone living in this area. You came in Cape Town, you want a fancy life, this is the area. So it's a Clifton. We are on Victoria Road. Look at this area. All of the parking bay that you see, actually it's on top of the buildings. The parking bay. Okay, on left hand side there's the houses they're built on top of the mountain, but on the right hand side the house that's been a building on the sea. Actually, if you have a check, this is the sea, that's the building coming from the bottom till up, and then on top, on the roof of the building, they make parking bays because there's no space. Look how they build the house from the bottom of the sea till up, and then on top of the building they make a parking base because on the bottom there's a sea. On the front of the houses there's a sea, so the cars cannot be on the bottom there. So it's amazing. It's a very beautiful area to live, and very rich. Most of the people living here, they're rich people, multi-millionaire from overseas. So they come buy land, houses down here, so they live. nice. This is South Africa, Cape Town. Clifton Road, Clifton area on the Victoria Road. It's beautiful. This is actually, this Ross. It's a big company of South Africa, Ross Demolition. Actually, they demolish the building and they build another one. So construction is going on here. It was a very beautiful house. I think they break it down. Let's see after 6 months what they're going to make here. I know we're not going to be disappointed because this is a rich area, so they'll build something amazing. So yeah. All of this car we're seeing here on our right hand side, there's on top of the buildings. All of these cars is on top of the buildings because the building starting from the bottom of the sea. And down there's a beach. The beach is a Clifton the first, Clifton the second, Clifton the third, and the Clifton fourth beach. So after Clifton fourth beach, you're going to Camps Bay Beach. So yeah. Clifton Hotel. We're going down there. It's a Clifton, the first beach. This is the Clifton. It's a beautiful. Clifton is beautiful. On that side there, it's called the bungalow, Clifton Fort Beach. You see